Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay, now we're gonna be working in the rear seat. And the first thing we did is lay down a blanket in the plastic. It has the storage right here. We don't want that to be scratched. It's already been scratched from the owner. One interesting thing that we noticed down there is that bolt right there. That's factory, and it's not even bolted down all the way to the bottom, just like that one. So that one is loose. We'll see if we can fix it once we get there. Now, to remove this rear seat, guys, you're gonna have to use a 13 socket, a 15 socket with an extension, and an 18 socket. So we're gonna have one bolt over here, the one for the seat belt in the rear, and then you're gonna have one over there, one in the other side, and the same setup over there, one in the corner plus the one in the outside for the seat belt. So let me show you this section right here so you can see how it's gonna go. So it's a good idea to use the extension for the 13 here so we can have a deeper reach. We'll probably want to use a magnet in the other side. Now the recommendation here, guys, is to make a little knot. You pull the seat belt and you do a little knot. It's just in case that the seat belt is equipped with some kind of reading mechanism, so you don't let go the seat all the way up. Otherwise, it will give you an airbag code. So let's move to the other side. And here is where we're gonna need the magnet. And the only purpose is to be able to extract these bolts. It will be more easy. So we have one more over here. And now that we have them all out, we're gonna fold the cushions. Many of you know this one has this latch up here, so you can get the seat down. Now down there, you're gonna have 118 right there, another one over there, and 115 right there. That's the one we're gonna use the extension with. And also we're gonna have cable, so we need to remove the cable for the seat belt so we can get the seat out. So the first thing is gonna be to remove the jack so we can have access to the other bolts. Let's see here. It's a long screw. There you have it. Okay, there you have those bolts right there exposed, plus the one over there, the little one, the 15. And we have better access to the cable so we can unplug. So this one we just gonna get under here and push it, and it will release the plug. So let me get the sets of the tools to get this done. Just bear with me here. So we have our 15. And that's just this nut right here. And we have 2 18ths. One. And that other one. So I like to leave the nuts just next to it. So the next step is gonna be to get it out. This is gonna be simple, guys. So there we have it. I want you to see this process because it's so simple. So now that you have it like that, it looks like it has another cable attached to it, and it does, it's just down here. And for this one, we're gonna press there on top and it releases it. Now it's ready to come out. Let's try again. So that was the small. Now for the large one, guys, this is the interesting part, because a lot of people doesn't know how to detach this one. So it's the same principle as the other one, it's just that it has a little tab that you cannot see, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. So this is the release mechanism. So basically you just pull this one up and it releases the latch. This is the top part of the seat, that's the headrest, and it latches into that. So once you release that one, it releases the lock. Now what we are being exposed is to this woofer here that we have to put aside so we can reach the bolts underneath. It has some bolts. That one right there, we need to get the goofer off. And it has this vent that I didn't see before, but our bolt is just in the corner over there. And we have to get these are 13s. So let's get to them. We have one over here on top. And we have one little clip on the other side, so that is our goofer. This is the one that we were talking about. I think they get it crooked, that's what it was. They couldn't fix it. Now we're gonna get the other 18s. We have one for the seatbelt. And one for the bracket in the other side. Now we're gonna unplug the seat belt connection and get this off. Because this one is gonna go through the seat, so it can release this one over here. So all we're gonna do, guys, is pull it and it comes out completely. So it goes behind like that, and now it's ready for removal. And yeah, we have an issue with the vent. Maybe this has some kind of hybrid mechanism. We're gonna get rid of that bracket for the vent. It's just two clips. So we can get this one off, so we can release our seat. Like I said, that's an unusual piece right there, but if you have it, if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. That was the connection right there for the vent. and without that one it was not making it easy for us to remove the seat. Yeah, it appears to be some kind of hybrid system, I believe. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna continue with the installation in the next video. And again, if you have questions, please put it in the comments.